Welcome to another Ask Henna Sooq series where I answer all of the questions that you have been dying to get me to answer. Got some great questions. Really, people are asking about henna and relaxers. Can I, still be using perm and chemicals while I'm doing henna? What about on the same day? And are there any Ayurvedic herbs that I shouldn't use? And remember, if you have pressing questions, you can also go to hennasooq.com, click the live chat to reach one of our hair care experts and even henna body art experts that can help you on your henna journey. So welcome, my name is Khadija and I am the founder COO of this brand, and I'm an expert in henna natural hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and henna and Jago body art. Question number 1 comes from BC, and they ask, I'm having issues growing the grown part of my hair. It seems to stay a little drier than the rest of my hair. Do you have any suggestions to grow this part of my hair? I also have your red ranch henna that I use every month. Thank you. This may be a typo. I know I said grown, but I think this means crown. I think. But in general, if there are certain parts of your hair, your scalp that stay drier, they can not really flourish as well. So definitely, doing moisture-rich treatments and really focusing some hydration, just really kind of, deep oiling massages with our Ayurvedic hair oil, that will really help a lot. And once you're focusing on that area, because you don't have to do all of your hair, there's certain areas that you want to focus on, you can definitely do that. So go ahead and do that. Focus, scalp massages, oiling that area, and just making sure to let your hair breathe, by using, ingredients that don't make it feel also soaked down, and always use water-based products. Really water-based products are gonna keep a lot of moisture, and then you can use oils to really seal and lock in moisture. Question number 2 comes from Deborah Thompson. Is it Rami? I think it's Rami. Really need help. I would like to start using henna for my hair dye. However, I'm allergic to aloe vera. Yes, unfortunately, some people are allergic to aloe vera. So you can't use it, and you want to use henna, but you're nervous because, I always talk about how aloe vera helps keep hair so hydrated, right? When you're using henna. So it's kind of oh, what do I do now? What you can do though, is you can definitely moisturize your hair by adding one of our hair oils. Camellia is really good, jojoba oils are really good, basic oils, but any oil that your hair likes, you can add to your henna treatment when you're coloring your hair. Because a little bit of that, 1 to 2 tablespoons is not going to dilute the color, so it'll still give you that nice creamy fluid moisturized henna hair color treatment. And if you really want, you can add a very small amount of fenugreek. It expands a lot, so don't go crazy with fenugreek because we don't want to dilute the color too much. So maybe about I'd probably say for every 100 grams that you use, maybe half a tablespoon. Question number 3 comes from Nuncy. Hey Nuncy. Anyone know if I can henna and relax my hair in the same day? Would really appreciate a response. This is actually a common question. It's very common that many people actually either think that you just can't use, perms or relaxers or any chemical color when it comes to henna. But at Henna Sooq, because our henna is free of additives, free of metallic salts, free of all that garbage that can conflict with these treatments that you're doing, which makes Henna Sooq a go-to brand. So to answer your question, yes, you can do it in the same day. It might be a little bit, if you give your hair, a break. But if you don't have time, it's not impossible. But what I would recommend is that you color your hair first with henna, then do your relaxer, so that way it's that's where your hair is ready. You can hydrate and dry and style as usual, and you're good to go. That would be the best. It's the same thing with trims. If you need a haircut or trim, do that before you color your hair, ideally. Then you'll lock in the ends and seal that in. And also you won't be wasting product for no reason on you're gonna cut your hair anyhow, so you might as well do it first. But I hope this helps. Remember, if you have a question that you need an answer to right now, go to hennasooq.com, click the chat, take advantage of this free access to questions and answers that you can get, and all the information right at your fingertips. And I'll see you next time. Love you guys.